Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new pirate sailfish in the latest Fish It update. So this fish looks like this. This one, like this. Like this. It has a blue body and it has a pirate flag on its sail, which makes it look super cool. And this pirate sailfish is a mythic level fish, so it's pretty rare. Like this. This one, it's mythic fish. So to get this fish, you need to go to Pirate Cove or the Tweezer room, or you can also go to the Tweezer room and then just fish it on there. And because this is a mythic fish, make sure you use your best rod and best bait. Like this. Like for example, you can use ghost fin rod. And then next, so just keep fishing in the Tweezer room and be patient, and eventually you will get the pirate sailfish. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!